For step 1C of the instruction cycle, you need the guided word practice, book 1 or book 2, which are located in the third drawer of the PCI reading kit. In addition, you will need the black stand, which is in the top drawer, and your picture and word cards that are also in the top drawer. Notice how I have taken the picture and the word cards and stood them up in the box to help make them easy to access. This step in the process is completely scripted. It tells you exactly what to do and exactly what to say. Exactly what to do is the regular text, exactly what to say is the bold text, and anything that's in parentheses or in quotes is the response you're looking for from the students. If you look at the top, it also tells you verbally and with a picture what materials you need. So for example, this says word cards 2, 3, and 4. To begin this activity, I look at the card activity and I read the instructions. Place the words "This is a" on the tray and point to them. Notice I am putting them from the far left to right to help prepare the students to read from left to right. Now it gives me the instructions to say to the student, what do the cards say? And they should read, "This is a." And it also gives me the verbal praise. Correct. Watch as I place a picture of a ring next to the words, "This is a." Now what do the cards say? And the students should read the line, "This is a ring." You're right. Now I go down to number 2. Watch as I change the picture. It tells me remove the ring and put on dog. Now what do the cards say? And the student reads the cards. Terrific! Remove the cards from the tray. Place these cards on the table. Separate the words from the picture. Now the students have already practiced this for several lessons, so they should be able to lay out the cards on the table. And then you tell the student, look at the words, touch the word "is." Good. Now place that card on the tray. And you continue instructing them through this step. And they perform the activities on the stand. When they've completed that with 100% mastery, you move on to the next step, which is the read aloud. It gives you a visual cue, but you simply turn the book so that the student sees the read aloud page and the teacher reads the directions. It should look like this. Turn this book so that the student can see the read aloud page. Look at line 1. What does it say? And the student responds, in this case, "This is a zipper." And then it gives me the verbal prompt, "That's right," and tells me repeats for lines 2 through 5. So again I say, look at line 2. What does it say? And the student reads those lines. And you continue the rest of this page. If they complete it with 100% mastery, you move on to the third activity. If not, you repeat it again. The third activity is the real-world connection. The real-world connection is meant to be the oral expression and use of the word in context. Your goal is to have them use this word in context. So for example, it tells me to say to the student, you can use the word "is" to begin an asking sentence. Then I should set a bag with a mystery object inside on the table and tell the student, I have hidden something inside this bag. Do you want to know what it is? Ask me 3 questions that start with the word "is." For example, Is it red? And help guide the students to ask you questions using the target word is until they identify the mystery object that you have put into a brown paper bag. That concludes the activities you find in step 1C.